Hey guys, just a real quick one today. I just want to show, I think I talked about this yesterday a little bit, but I am redoing the drone a bit, and I designed this last bracket thing for my receiver, for the FlySky FSIA6B receiver. And right here I've got my little adapter thing that I got from a USB car, it's a converter for 5-volt output. From a car. So I've got the input here and the output here, and that's what's going to be powering all the electronics here. And I'm going to turn this into a box type thing. But anyway, and then I also have the speed controllers, the electronic speed controllers for the brushless motors, and I don't have them going through this because I've broken enough of these frames already that I realized it's silly to kind of feed it through there. So now I'm just gonna zip tie it on there. Anyway, just want to show that real quick. I'll upload a video in the next 1 or 2 days, hopefully, of this actually flying again. So thanks you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.